Today I'm going to show you how to make chewed up bubblegum slime inspired by glitter.slimes on Instagram. To begin, you need to add in your glue. Then add in your color of choice. For this case, I'm adding in green to make it a minty chewed up bubblegum slime. Then mix it all together. This part is optional, but since I'm making a minty chewed up bubblegum slime, I'm going to add in a soap that smells like mint, and then later, a fragrance oil that is bubblegum scented. And for a little bit of foaminess, add in some shaving cream, just a little bit, not too much. Here I'm adding in a bubblegum fragrance oil in addition to my mint scented foam soap. Now activate your slime about 2/3 of the way. These next few clips include some ASMR. If you would like to purchase some packing peanuts to make this chewed up bubblegum slime, then please check my description as I sell these for a very cheap price. Make sure that when you are adding in the packing peanuts to break them up so that they can create a chewed up texture and also to activate your slime.